Hey besties, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing a balloon arch at a school in Bristol. So what you see me here is just bringing my pieces in that I need. So this arch came in 4 pieces. It came with the two garland that was disassembled. The 2 columns that was disassembled and the 2 base. So it came in 4 pieces in total. Right now what I'm doing is connecting my middle point and just securing it with tape. So the PVC that I use is a 3/4. So that means all I have to do is wrap my white tape around it. Once the white tape was secure, I took my balloons to fill in that little gap, and all I know I needed was 2 clusters to be able to fill in that gap. As you can see, one of my balloons decided to pop on me, so I just went ahead and switched it out. I did not have time to play, and that's why I brought extra balloons. After switching it out, I was able to complete that look. And once that was done, now it's time to make sure your balloon is in the order that you want it to be. Here, I'm going to be adding another cluster right in the middle just to make sure everything is nice and tight and secure. Honestly, it could have stayed the way it was and I could have just fluffed out the balloons a little bit, but I always like to outdo myself, I should say. After we're done constructing all of that, we're just going to fix our balloons the way we want it and just do minimum shifting. After we're done shifting our balloons, now it's time to put our balloon into the pole. And as you can see, this slides right in and all you got to do is lift and place. It is that simple. I'm going to go ahead and tag the stand that I used that was compatible with the 3/4 PVC pipe. While you're here, Queen's Decor is now booking for 2024-2025. If you're in the local Philly area, Bristol, Montgomery, or Bucks County area, go ahead and book us for your next event. Now that is done, what I'm about to do is just add clusters to cover up that pole at the bottom. And the way I did mine was I added my cluster and slide it up just so I can make sure I'm going in the pattern. I didn't want to start at the bottom and then had to figure out or turn or shift or do anything extra that I didn't need to do. So now after I'm done putting, I think all I needed was about 2 clusters in there and it was done. With the way the ground was laid out, this column kept on leaning forward in my opinion, but then when I step back, everything looks fine. So sometimes when you're up close, things look a little bit funny, iffy. You always have to take a step back, like I said. This is the final look of the arch. I'm gonna step back so you can see the arch in full. Like, share, comment, and follow us for more. Thank you for setting up with me.